So I have this character with a simple rig. I drop him into Unity, but suddenly a ball appears. It moves towards my character's legs, but he doesn't even care. I want to make him care. In this frame, for example, where his legs are going through geometry, I want to lift his feet up. But first, I need to figure out how high to lift the feet up. I send a ray from the hips vertically towards the floor. The point of intersection is where he should place his feet. If the leg bones are currently straight, I want to bend them like this. To figure out the new joint angles, I need to solve this triangle. I know the distance from the hip to the knee, the distance from the knee to the foot, and the distance from the hip to the floor. With the three sides of the triangle given, I can solve for the angles. If the hip joint has to rotate by angle theta A, I can compute theta A using the cosine rule as shown. Same for the knee joint rotation theta B. I apply the two rotations, theta A and theta B, and he goes from looking like this to looking like that. But wait, why are the feet clipping through the floor? The heel joint currently looks like so. I want to rotate it up so that the foot is parallel to the floor. From the previous raycast I did, I'll use the normal vector to the floor. If I rotate the foot so that it's perpendicular to the normal, it will be parallel to the floor. I label the foot rotation angle theta C. Looking at the geometry, theta C ends up being equal to the angle between the floor normal and the shin. I compute it using the dot product of the two vectors. By doing this, I go from this to that. What about two balls? For extra polish, I affect the rest of the body joints as well, to make my character look as if he's trying to keep his balance. Probably needs some tweaking, but it's a good start. This is how I like my characters. Based.